Hey everyone, so today's video is all about one of the very known American brand that was launched in 1990. Yes, I am talking about the Bath and Body Works, and I have already tried the two variants of the Bath and Body Works mist, that is You Are the One variant and the Dark Kiss. So that video I have already shared on my channel, so you can check that out. And now I thought to buy the next variant, so I thought to give it a try. So I bought this in the Star. So this is how it comes. It comes like this. So this is the packaging of In the Stars body mist in perfume. So let's dwell in the stars with this body mist review and demo. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, here is the bottle of body mist in the stars. So firstly I will talk about the bottle and packaging. So it comes like this in a very wonderful shade in the golden color that will give you the party vibes, and you can see the little stars over the packaging that will give you the party and shimmery vibes, and it looks very pretty. I really love the packaging. So you can see the brand name over here, the Bath and Body Works, and the variant In the Stars. So In the Stars, it also says like that after applying this body mist you will feel like you are in the stars. So here are the instructions, and you can see the price over here. Its price is 2099 rupees, and you can see the some details over here, and its quantity is 236 ml. You cannot resist this buying because the bottle looks very pretty, and after applying the body mist you will feel like the luxurious fragrance all over your body. And whenever you are applying this body mist on your body, so everybody will surely compliments you and your look. So this is how it comes. So I have tried the You Are the One variant and Dark Kiss, so that bottles I also love the most, and also the fragrance are awesome. So you can check the video on my channel. So guys, let's talk about the ingredients that this body mist contains. So firstly, it has star flower in it, and sandalwood musk, and also sugar tanshello, and white angerwood, and radiate amber. So these are the very good fragrances, and the combination of these will really gives you a very woody vibes. And these are the ingredients that will not give you a very strong fragrance. So comparing with the You Are the One variant, that body mist is also very light, and for the daytime that I feel, so you can use this variant and You Are the One variant if you are going for a office, and if you are going for shopping and in the day outing. So that I feel. And comparing with the Darkest variant, so Darkest variant is little strong, and you can apply that variant in your night parties. And I also love the fragrance that the Darkest have, so that is very long lasting. And also You Are the One variant, and this is In the Stars, it will last for around 5 to 6 hours. So this is what I feel about the body mist. And comparing with the perfumes, as you can see, the body mist not last for longer time. So if you are looking for a long lasting fragrance, so you can go with the perfumes. And if you are looking for a body mist that has perfume vibes and you will feel like you have applied perfume on your body, so you can check the Bath and Body Works range. So this is the about the ingredients that this body mist contains. So let's try it, and I will apply it on my body, and I will share my experience how the fragrance I feel like. So guys, you can see the cap over here, so it will open like this, and you can see the spray bottle. It comes like this. I really love the packaging and bottle. It really feels like you are applying something luxurious on your body. So I will apply it on my wrist. So I will spray here. You can see how it comes. So I will apply like this, and its fragrance is really good. Something woody kind of fragrance you can feel. So what I can feel, it's not very sweet as comparing to the You Are the One variant, that I feel little sweet. So, and as compared to the darkest variant, that is long lasting, but that is not also very sweet. So this is something you will feel like very fresh, and you have applied something really cool on your body. So now I will apply it on my neck and here. So guys, one thing let me tell you, this is the body mist. So you can apply all over your body wherever you are required, and as per your uses you can use this body mist all over your body. So this is not a basically perfume, so it will feel it when you are applying this body mist, you will feel like you have applied perfume. But this is a body mist that is lightweight, and also you will feel like you have applied nothing on your body. So this is what I can feel. So you can also try the body wash and body lotion of this range. So that will give you a very luxurious vibes and very flawless skin you will get, and you will feel like you are in the stars. So this is the variant. So with the when you are using the shower gel of in the stars, so after that you will apply this body mist and body lotion. You can also apply that as well. So this is the in the stars variant, and after applying this body mist you will feel like you are in the stars. So this is what I can feel about the fragrance. So this is really good. So you can try different variants of the Bath and Body Works. So its price is little bit high, so you can check the offers at Nykaa. So whenever that perfume and body mist are in the offers, so you can buy at that time. So talking about the shelf life of this body mist, you can see here it is for 3 years, and you can see the manufacturing date is 10/20/23 and the expire date is 7/20/26. So you can see here it is mentioned. So this is also really good because the quantity is really sufficient. So also the shelf life is for 3 years. So this is good really about this body mist. So let's compare this body mist with the normal body mist. I have this XV Life body mist. This is very normal range. So I have bought this body mist from the Jimmy Vogue, and this is the how it comes. You can see the MRP is 249 rupees for the quantity 150 ml it is. So you can see the two packaging. This is for the very high-end brand, and this is very normal range. But you can see how it comes. It comes like this, you can see, and I am applying it here. So it comes like this. So I purchased this body mist because I like the fragrance of this body mist. But as compared to this, the Bath and Body Works body mist, this is not very long lasting. The fragrance is good, but this is not very long lasting. So you can see the instructions over here, and also if you are looking for a normal range, so you can try this body mist. So this is the body mist I have bought from the Jimmy Vogue store, and also there are several body mist perfumes available there. So I tried this, so I like the fragrance, that's why I purchased this one. And this is the two variants, you can see and compare both. So you can see the packaging, how pretty it is looking as compared to this one. So this is about the In the Stars body mist. So guys, this is the review and demo of the In the Stars body mist that has perfume in it. So if you are buying this range in the Stars body mist, so I will suggest you that you will also buy the shower gel and the body lotion. So that 3 products you can buy for yourself for the luxurious and glowing effect on your body. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like this video and found this video helpful for you. So if you like this video, so please hit the like button, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye guys, love you all, stay healthy, stay rocking, keep loving.